To stress today is that it's very hard to predict where the market is going, especially during the last days. You might have seen there is huge volatility. If you look at the last 3 months, so last 3 months, which is March, April, May, and May is almost finishing today, 30th of May, you would see that the market went to 22,000 first, and at that level people were saying market will go to 20,000, but market went to 24,000. From 24,000 market again came to 21,700 on 7th of April, and then people said okay, now market will go to 19,000 or 21,000, whatever. Then the market went up. So whatever people have been saying, market is doing completely random things. Even during intraday, you see yesterday there was a huge volatility, 200 300 points volatility you would see on a daily basis intraday. So this is not a market where you can trade. Mostly it's there are a lot of hedge funds, for example Jane Street, and there are other ones, Millennium Fund and all that. So there are a lot of these big hedge funds which have computer models which will do algo trading, and it's almost impossible for individual retail traders to make money over a period of time. Yes, once or twice a day, 2 3 times in a month, 10 times in a month, you can make some profitable trades, but over a long period of time, consistently, you cannot make money. Overall, you have to respect the volatility in the market. And there is one more thing which is very important, which is that there is volatility or now also in gold. And the reason for volatility in gold is because Trump says, Trump versus their local court, that game has started. So their local court is saying tariffs are not implementable, whereas Trump says that the tariffs will happen. So whenever Trump's voice is loud, then gold goes up, stock market goes down, and vice versa. So until and unless there is a resolution to the whole tariff thing, I don't think that the VIX is going to come down or gold is going to come down. Once the whole trade deal is passed, everything is settled down, I think then gold may fall, and then Indian market will also go up. Indian market may also go up because the dollar index has been dropping. So there are a lot of positives for Indian market, but I think at 25,200, market will find a lot of resistance. If you look at our levels, R2, which is resistance 2, you can see it in the chart. It is 26,225. R1 is 25,280. So market is not crossing that level, and market tried to cross that level 2 or 3 times in last 2 3 weeks, but it's very difficult for market to cross that. Third thing which is very important is that the sectors which are working are defense, although it is a little bit overpriced, NBFCs, private banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. Then you have tourism sector like Indigo, Indian Hotel, and then you have insurance sector stocks like SBI Life, MFSL. IT is not working, so you have to be very careful. And this is a sector which has a lot of uncertainty because of many things. And yeah, so this is the report for today, and then we'll see during the market, after the market.